Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2023 Ford Maverick in a Lariat trim with the Tremor off-road package, powered by a 2-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency with all-wheel drive capabilities, so you're going to be able to get around pretty well. And the new Tremor off-road package, giving you some upgrades such as the front tow hooks, off-road suspension, also giving you the orange trim around the vehicle, the unique rims, and some more aggressive all-terrain tires. But let's take a look at the bed, which is bed lined, as well as having here you have these QR codes. You can scan those, takes you directly to Ford Canada's or Ford's IDEA site for things you can do with this bed space, so that's pretty cool. Then looking into the back seat, where you have comfortable seating for 3 with a full leather interior that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo and reveal some pretty deep storage bins underneath, as well as another QR code because you can do some modular stuff with this space. In the middle, you have fold-out armrests with 2 cup holders, as well as having a USB, USB-C, and 120-volt power outlet there in the middle. And looking into the front, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen, where you can cycle through a lot of your information, as well as having your audio controls, phone controls, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, as well as display setup in general. And you can here select your screens that you want to have priority with. And then moving onto the left, where you have your cruise controls, as well as having your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom, and your lane keeping system on the end of your signal stock. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, navigation, so you hopefully won't get lost, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you have a backup camera so you can see where you're going, as well as having a premium B&O sound system, so your audio is going to sound pretty decent. Moving down, you have your media controls with your hazards and auto start stop shut off. And moving down more, you have your climate controls here with dual zone front climate, heated front seat, and a heated steering wheel, as well as heated mirrors so you can stay warm. Below that, you have your start stop button and your, a 12-volt power outlet, USB, USB-C, and your controls for your power sliding rear window. Then you have this tray area here for your phone. You do have a wireless charging pad, so you can throw your phone on there. And then your main shifter on a dial, very convenient, easy to use, parking brake, 2 cup holders, little cubby, and then some of your controls here, such as brake hold, locking rear differential, 4-wheel drive lock or all-wheel drive lock, traction control shutoff, trail control, which is like cruise control for slower speeds on rougher terrain, and then your drive mode selector for normal, tow haul, slippery, mud ruts, and sand, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. And then last but not least, you have your center compartment / armrest with plenty of room inside, but that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.